Hello everyone, it's another day, another video. Welcome to my platform. Today I'm preparing fish. To avoid biting my tongue, I'm not going to pronounce the name of the fish, but I'll leave the name on the screens, you'll see it. And this fish is quite good for making stews or frying the fish. Very delicious, fewer bones, and well structured inside. So basically, even cleaning it is quite easy, and also preparing it is not that hard. So first off, as you can see, I'm going to clean it up, take off the wings and the sides and everything. Then I'm going to open up the belly and take off the the insides of the stomach, the fish. After which, I'm going to make incisions 3/4 through the fish, leaving it slightly connected to one another, as you can see. First, by marinating with some salt and black pepper, just sprinkle that on the fish on both sides. Then after, on a cooking range, I'm going to add some cooking oil and then add in my fish and let it fry on both sides. As that is getting done, I'm going to start preparing some onions. I'm going to slice some onions, some fresh chili. Also, I'm going to mash and chop the garlic that I need to use, some ginger as well, and we're going to use some tomatoes. At this point, we're going to check on our fish. Make sure the fish is well browned on both sides. We're trying to achieve a crispy layer on top of the fish and also leave some flavor in that cooking oil. After which, you're going to take out the fish. We're going to add our first lot of ingredients, which is some chopped garlic, the fresh chili and onions as well. And once that is browned, nicely browned, you're going to add in the sliced tomatoes. And in order to let the juices in the tomatoes to cook, we need to cover this and give it some time. And also, we're going to sprinkle salt and also add some turmeric powder to that and give it time to cook. As that is getting ready, I'm going to prepare some cilantro and some green capsicum, which I'm going to use as well in the cooking process. Here's where we are developing the delicious gravy by first. After a couple of minutes, we're going to try and mash the tomatoes by just pressing on them, since now they have been cooking with some salt and turmeric, so they are quite soft. And to thicken that sauce, we're going to also add some the green capsicum and also the cilantro. I'm going to give this a good mix. Now the flavors from the fish, since we're using the same oil, has incorporated in this all these ingredients together, and the aroma is something else. After giving it a couple of minutes to cook, we are going to bring in some spices, which I will add first is some chili powder. The quantities will totally depend on the quantity of food you're preparing. And I'm also going to add some curry powder as well, and some ginger powder, and also some coriander powder. Give this a good mix. Let it cook, continue cooking. After which I'm going to add some tomato paste. In the process of this cooking process, we are constantly in different margins we are mixing in, giving this curry a good mix, because we are creating a thick gravy out of this and all these mixtures. And as you continue to cook, you'll realize that there's need for some little water to add into this, more likely to help in the simmering process, because we're going to need to simmer this together with the fish, which I'm going to add at this point. So we bring back the fish into this thick sauce that we've prepared, and we're going to now incorporate it by simply pouring the sauce on top of the fish, trying to incorporate it as best as we can. And you're going to lower the heat at this point and let it simmer at a low moderate heat. Also, we'll need to cover this. As it cooks, the more the ingredients will incorporate, after which we're going to squeeze in a piece of lemon. Doesn't have to be a very big lemon, it's just some little lemon juice. And we're going to check the seasoning, the taste, the salt also, this point. And now we're going to plate this for service purposes, to serve to the people we're going to serve to. As for the accompaniment, you can serve it with rice. And do enjoy the recipe. And also, for those who are new to my platform, don't forget to leave a comment. Let's engage, like and share my video, and help me to grow this platform. And also, thank you for the continued support. See you in the next video.